share a little bit more background information, and then I will jump into this. Well, I'm getting tongue-tied as much as I do this every month. The acknowledgement section reads this way. This collection of poetry was written in the loving memory of my mother, Dorothy M. Harrell, and Howard Corey, my stepfather, who talked to me like a son, deeply loved at a time when I really needed a father figure. To Monica B. Harrell, the wonderful mother of my sons, Alfred T. and Desmond M. Harrell, with whom I shared most of my adult life, thank you for your support, loyalty, and friendship over the years.
All right, whenever you're ready, dear.
Nothing more beautiful. There's nothing more beautiful than words. Words dancing with sunbeams, nouns waltzing with verbs, adjectives adjusting the fluid movements of verbs, phrases spinning sentences for the ballerina's tiptoes. There's nothing more beautiful than words dancing upon sunbeams, sleeping with moonlight. There's nothing more beautiful than an infant's waking words. Daddy, I love you.